Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how to fix issue when you can't install updates on your Apple Watch. So first thing, just go to the settings, and in the settings you just need to first thing just check your free space on your Apple Watch. So just go to the general, just scroll down, just tap here on storage, and here you will see free space on your Apple Watch. So here you can see it. So after, you can try to check battery percentage, so just tap on this button and here you will see battery percentage. So if you have not enough, so you just need to connect it to charge, because you won't be able for installing new updates until you will see until you will have on your Apple Watch enough percentage. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, goodbye.